Kubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom Sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong. Ringkat bat ka net footage. Ordar mapi. Minwan ra mangi hakerdog ying jongpi.
Ka sarkar jilla kala bo thong manchna Pyntip ya ka youth policy kala shem ba ka jingdon jong ki Samla hapo ka jilla Meghalaya Hapdeng karta ba khatsan hado arpukundai Snem ki long hado lai puwei persen. Menteri rang ba jong ka jilla Konrad kongkel sangma habaya keren bat kilat pathai khubor uloong. Lingba gani ka policy ka sarkar kan sa persang ban weng ni ka jing e jong ki Samla la ka long ha ka jing bam yo kam yo jam ha ka jing thau lat ban ai kam ai jam ban kintiu ru ye ki sap ki phong ba ki don ha ka liang ka sports ka puli puthi ka kot ka khia bat ki wei Menteri rang ba ulu yathoru ba ka sarkar jilla yamenta kadang bishar banya ru ban penrung sakatto ka ni ki kendon na ka youth policy jong ka sarkar Hapdeng khnang ba ka youth policy ka balashna da ka sarkar jilla kan long ka ba pura bat ka ba janai.
The last decision that was taken by the cabinet today was to approve the Meghalaya Youth Policy 2021. As you are aware, Meghalaya does not have a youth policy. 15 to 29 is the age group which we define as youth. 31% of our population falls in this category. It is absolutely necessary that the government comes out with a clear policy on how we plan to channelize the energy of these youths so that they can work constructively for themselves, for their family, and for the state and the country as a whole. But just to give you an idea, we have tried to cover different aspects of what is important for the youth and what is important for the state. What is the objective of the state, where the state would like to see the youth and where the youth would like to see themselves. So with these two objectives, we have tried to bring in aspects that will try to address the issues for the government as well as for the youth, whether it has to do with unemployment, employment opportunities, whether it has to do with leadership, whether it has to do with skill development, environmental issues, whether it's to do with sports, education, whether it has to do with health and wellness. All these factors have been connected and put into this policy. And at the same time, we have a 50-point agenda which also has been created where different activities will take place. And in this 15-point agenda, the different activities will also be monitored on a monthly, quarterly, or a biannual basis. So that's the gist of the policy. But as I said, we'll give you a small note on this. We have been working on this policy for a very long time. Initially, the note that was given by IIM was the base where we started. But after that, we have spent almost close to 10 months to add many more aspects to it. And we have studied the youth policies from not just the country, but the world to bring in many new aspects and exciting programs that we have for the youth. As I said, for example, the One Talent, One Skill program, whether it is the program of different excursion programs, whether it's the program to have different clubs for the youth, whether it is to have different youth centers and counseling centers for the youth. So all these programs have been incorporated in this youth policy. So those were the decisions that were taken by the cabinet today.